everybody, welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the Hubb Oil Filter. Hubb Oil Filter is essentially a lifetime oil filter. It's designed to be taken apart, clean, pieces of it replaced as needed, and it's designed to clean your oil better than your factory OEM filters. These filters come for several different trucks. They're all listed on our website. You can check them out at blessedperformance.com. The advantage is this is a lifetime filter. So if you can see here, we have it completely disassembled. The purpose of this disassembly was to show you guys how it goes together and how it comes apart. Of course, when I go to put it together, it doesn't want to go together. If you look, I took it apart to show you guys, but in here, we have a two filter design. Here's the first filter, there's the bypass valve, second filter. There's O-rings on here that seal this to this filter, and then there's this O-ring right here that seals this to this housing, and then of course, your base filter O-ring that seals it to where your oil filter mounts on your truck. This is for our 6.7 Power Stroke here. The reason I wanted to talk about these bad boys is the advantages here. The advantage is because this filters oil so well, up to 99% efficiency, down to 25 microns, which is better than the 52% efficiency of your OEM filter. Because it does that, you're able to extend the intervals of your oil to double is what they rate it for. If you look, this fancy tool comes with this, okay? Well, and you go through and you can buy these kits, okay? We have the kits listed on our website to completely rebuild this. You go through and you use this to tighten this up, and then you thread this guy in here, and you tighten that up. Now what'll happen is when it's mounted on the truck, this base is gonna stay on the truck. You'll use this tool right here, spin it loose while it's mounted, and then as you get into here, you can take and spin this guy off. Well, you can start with the bottom here, the secondary filter, or the first filter. So if this is hooked to the bottom of the truck like this, you would take this guy, spin that loose, and then once you get this one out of here, then you can grab this and you would spin this loose, and you're able to take and clean this filter out and then reassemble it. That's the advantage of this. You never have to buy another filter again. You extend the life of your oil by using this high quality oil filter. Plus, let's be honest, it looks great. That billet housing sure looks good. All right, let's get a quick recap here. This is the Hubb Oil Filtration, the next generation oil filter. It's a billet design. It's got two filters essentially in it. It's rated for double the oil flow of your factory oil filter, a 99% efficiency, which your factory oil filter is rated at 52% efficiency, down to 25 microns. This filter, because of its double filter design internally, it's able to filter up to 2 microns. That's dramatic when it comes to keeping your engine protected. With this, you can also double the life of your oil change intervals. We run this with Schaefer's and AMSOIL here in our shop, depending on the truck that we're running it in. In our 6.7 Power Stroke right now, we're at 10,000 miles. Today, we're gonna do an oil change, and we're going to actually send out a sample so we can get our oil tested and see if we can extend it even further. Pretty excited. We've seen results. Perfect. Oil looks great at 10,000 miles so far the first time we did it on both the 6.7 and the 6.0. So we're going to see how much further we can take it. Be sure to hop on the website, check this filter out. It's a great upgrade. If you own a truck for, we'll call it 70,000 miles, and you do an oil change every 10,000 miles, this filter pays for itself. So most people own their trucks, or quite a few people own their trucks for well longer than that. So this filter can pay for itself in 1/3, not even that, shoot, 1/10 of the life of a diesel engine. The 6.7 Power Strokes, I mean, they're known for going 500,000 miles plus. So by doing this, you'll never have to put another filter on again. Carry this around in your glove box. You're on the road, you go into an oil filter change shop if you have to do that, and you just hand them this. You say, spin the outside off, clean the inside out, put this back on. That's all they have to do. So I highly recommend getting this for your 6.7 Power Stroke. We also have them for the Duramaxes and the Cummins. Check them out on the website, blessedperformance.com. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow. Check us out on Instagram as well. Have a blessed day.